All right, y'all, let's elevate that energy, shall we? I want you to move with me with the whole Embody team. Let's go. Up and down with your feet. Start to get those elbows pulling back. We're only elevating from here. Open it up. That's it. Let's step it side to side. And pull and grab. Yes. We got that rhythm. We're gonna take 2 to each side. 2. 2. 2. 2. Keep it going. Keep that going. Pick it up. Plant that feet. Let's pump it out. You got that rhythm. Just pump it out. Pump it out, pump it out. Make a fist go up, down. Up, down, up, down. Other side, let's go. Up, down. Other side, let's go. Other side, switch it up. Let's go, right here. Hands up, circle it out. Yes. Plant those feet, just circle it. Woo, you got that rhythm. Bring your hands down right here. Oh, now we're stirring the pot. Shake it out. Hey. Back to that 2-step to the right. Let's go 2 to the right. Step it out. What you waiting for? What you waiting for? Way to move. Right hand, go punch it out. What you waiting for? What you waiting for? What you waiting for? Let's switch. Other side, let's go. Up and down. Thank you so much for moving with us. Feeling good, looking good, make some noise if it feels right. Let your neighbors hear you.